Next we have is a summary question. Let's read the paragraph given. Brutality is everywhere. No player has died during Calcio-Storia, but Luciano Artusi, a former director of the body that oversees the games, conceded that we have had a spleen removed. Filippo Allegri, one of the on-field paramedics, said that his group generally expects that 7 or 8 players from each team will not finish any given game. He recalled that 10 players, or about 20% of the participants, required hospitalization after a particularly brutal final in 2013. There are no substitutions, so exhaustion is common, so are dehydration and concussions. The paragraph is essentially saying that this game, Calcio-Storia, is a physically demanding game, and in every game, a couple of participants always get injured or require hospitalization. It also gives a particular example of a game in 2013 where about 20% of the participants required hospitalization. Also, because there are no substitutions allowed, hence exhaustion is common and dehydration and concussions also happen very frequently. Because there are no substitutions allowed, the physical strain on the participants is even more. Now, let's look at our options. Option A says Calcio-Storia is an illegal game which demands a lot from its players, including the will to be injured. It's not whether it's an illegal game or not is not mentioned in the passage, hence this cannot be the answer. Option B says the people who are related to Calcio-Storia find the game too brutal to not be managed by a body. Option B is also incorrect because what the people associate with Calcio-Storia, as mentioned in the paragraph, have only stated that people do get injured during the games. It does not say that it is too brutal not to be managed by a body. Option C says Calcio-Storia is a physically demanding game which may result in various bodily injuries for its players. This is the correct answer, as this is exactly what the paragraph is also saying. Option D says people who oversees Calcio-Storia are aware of the game being so brutal that almost 20% of participants are hospitalized by the time finals are over. This is not correct, as the example given in the paragraph was about a particularly brutal final, which means normally, although certain number of participants get hospitalized, it was a particularly brutal final and hence 20% were hospitalized, which means in a normal game it would usually be less than 20% that would get hospitalized. Hence option D will also become incorrect. Correct answer will be option C.